the valedictory address of Class 2023-2024. Growth with high honors. Let's give her a round of applause.
To our principal, Ma'am Zenaida M. Alho, the principal of Giwanan Elementary School, Ma'am Esther Gilay, honored guests, mentors, to our dear parents, fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant, beautiful morning to all of us here. For almost 7 years, I went at the Sitam Elementary School. I always thank God for His guidance and provision, most especially on the part of my school routine, attending flag ceremony, to see my classmates, played with them, and to learn a lot. I never tired of telling to myself, walking so far away from my home is not a hindrance to complete my elementary days. In God's grace, I'm here in front of you to cherish this moment of this remarkable day. I am deeply honored for having been given this opportunity to speak before the gathering of successful learning journey outcome at elementary life. The tragedy came, the COVID-19. We had a modular class, but still we are here. At this point, I just want to leave a word of gratitude to all of us. G stands for Graduation Day. Fellow graduates and parents, this is our special day. Allow me to congratulate you all the positive efforts, guidance, determination, and perseverance. R stands for Respect. Fellow graduates, that we always keep in our minds that respect holds for our success wherever we are. A stands for Achievements. As what I read, one of the literary quotes, to accomplish good thing in life, we must combine intelligence and good character that is called of true achievements in education. T stands for Time. It's time for us to change our perception in life. Now that we have done to our elementary life, we must be excited to enter the next level of learning journey in life, focusing studies in high school, and the new phases will be met. I stands for Inspiration. These medals I have today are the positive results of my parents' guidance, love, and support to me. Mama, Papa, you are my truly inspiration. T stands for Thankful. Thankful I got high honors in spite of many challenges in life. I grabbed this opportunity to thank my mama and papa, not because of you. I never felt this kind of a satisfaction to be your daughter and to be a sister at the same time to be a sister to my younger brother Glairon. Tatay Semi and Uncle Ijan, thank you so much for adding heartily support gave baon to me. U stands for Understanding. As we face our new chapter in high school life, my dear graduates, we have only one understanding of development and of making of success. That's by going step by step. D stands for Dedication. To my teachers, I would like to express my deepest gratitude for the heartily dedication and patient teaching us. Ma'am, I learned a lot of things from you, which I value as I continue getting through my dreams. E. And lastly, E stands for experience. Through our alma mater, we build friendship. As we gain strength, courage, and confidence, a truly amazed learning experience that we never forget, wherever God's destined our life. What we make it always has been, always will be. I, on behalf of my fellow graduates, let us all embrace the word of gratitude. Again, thank you so much. A good day to everyone.